This is Sarah, and she is about to do hopscotch with her new Bratz foamy block things. Alright, go ahead, Sarah. Good job. Yay, now turn around and do it again. Turn and go back. Yay! Lori, it's your turn.
No, my turn, Sarah.
Alright, now come on back.
Maddie, you want to do it?
Yeah. No,
Alright, come on.
Yes,
Maddie, it's your turn. Come on.
oh, really? Yeah, she can do it. Do it, Madison.
Samantha, go eat your dinner.
Go eat, Sam.
My turn.
Maddie, do it.
Maddie's turn.
You're good?
Come on, Maddie.
Fine.
Everybody look at my messy living room. It doesn't look like that all the time, I swear to God. She has an earache and she had to get drops in her ears and she's afraid it's going to fall out if she jumps. Madison, I promise you it won't fall out, and if it falls out, we'll put more in, okay? Alright, go ahead. You might not want to jump with your head sideways. Alright. Quasimodo, making a leap for it. Oh.
Aww.
Okay, Sarah's going to do it again. Alright, come on. Alright. Come on back now. Alright, Daddy, your turn. Come on, Daddy. Here goes Daddy. Alright, come on back now. You're funny, Daddy.
Max, it's your turn.
And here's Lori. And Sammy sitting on the couch. Hi, Sammy. Hi, Sammy. Madison, you okay, baby? Oh, alright, this video's over. Everybody say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Girls, say bye to the camera.
No. Bye-bye.